Fit type. Vehicle specific. Material. Plastic. NGK Standard Spark Plugs are treated with corrosion-resistant plating to ensure ease of installation and removal. The 98% pure copper core delivers increased heat dissipation for more reliable starts and reduced risk of overheating. Cold-rolled threads prevent cross-threading and damage to cylinder heads. Trivalent plating eliminates need for anti-seize. Corrugated ribs prevent flashover. High-grade alumina silicate ceramic. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for Honda Helix spark plug. Bought this to replace the spark plug in my Honda Helix. It was probably the factory plug from 1987. Bike runs great now. Starts right up and runs much better than before.